Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. As you can see, I got a box here, and it's the little green machine by Bissell. And just to let you guys know, this is not sponsored or anything like that. We picked up this machine about a week ago, and I'm finally going to be able to use it. Because as you can see, it's all taped up. It hadn't even been opened yet. I'm fixing to open it up, and I need to deep clean my stairs. Let me give you a little bit of a close-up on what my stairs looks like. Yeah, hang on 1 second. So let me show you that real quick. Okay, so I'm on my stairs, and I'm at the top portion of it right here. And I'm going to try to show you kind of what my stairs look like right now. I mean, they are really dirty. I have not cleaned them since we moved into this house. And it's only because I didn't have the machine to do it. Anyway, not every stair is that bad, but there's some portions of it that's just really, really dirty. It really needs a good clean. So I'm going to use the green machine to clean my stairs. Now, like I said, it's my first time to use it. I have no idea what the stairs are going to look like afterwards, and we're just going to give this a go and see what they look like after. Hey guys, I thought I'd pop in for a little bit on a voiceover and all that. So anyway, I was right here, I was just trying to figure out, like, I've never used this machine before, so I was kind of like, I didn't really know how to use it at first, but then I kind of started figuring it out. So anyway, it looks like I'm just kind of like rubbing the carpet and everything, but I was doing the water, sprinkling the water to the carpet, and I was just kind of like, brushing it. And then I realized, I was like, you know what, I need to stop, slow down, and then kind of get the water up. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of let you know what was going on there. But as I said before, earlier in a clip, that, yeah, we had not cleaned these stairs since we moved in. So that's how long and all that. It had been dirty. But let me tell you guys, that little green machine, oh my gosh, it did such a great job. So I highly, highly, highly recommend it. And as I said before, earlier in the video, this is not sponsored or anything like that. We bought the machine. We paid, I think, $99 for it. Got it at Walmart. Brought it home. And I had it about a week before I, unpacked it and everything like that, because I knew that I'd be cleaning the stairs that day when I did it. So, anyway, but it worked out really good. I love this machine. So, just wanted to let you guys know. We're going to be coming up on the end of the video here pretty soon. At the end, I'm going to show you guys a reveal of what the carpet looked like after I had shampooed it or steam cleaned it or what do you want to call it. It was the next day because I wanted to make sure the carpet was completely dry before I did the after. But anyway, you guys, yeah, this is an amazing machine. Like I said, I totally recommend it. Anyway, I just wanted to pop on to do a little more of a voiceover and everything like that to let you guys know that, yeah, I know this is kind of like a short little video. It's not that exciting. It's cleaning my carpet, but for me it was kind of exciting because I've been waiting a long time to do it. I also wanted to come back on to show you how dirty the water was. That's me emptying out the container after doing my stairs pretty much that whole day. I think it was a Friday, either a Friday or Saturday. I think it was a Friday, but it was really, really, really nasty. Hey guys, I cleaned the carpets yesterday, which was Friday, and I wanted to kind of give you a good shot of what they look like the day after. That way they have plenty of time to dry. Anyway, so they look really good. Just wanted to kind of give you a look. So this is kind of like the after. Anyway, this is from over 10 years of living in the house and all that. So anyway, just wanted to kind of give y'all a look of the stairs.